Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I am unboxing something called the Salt Effect Box. So I have had this box way longer than I would have liked to, but it's because I wanted to be able to give it the right amount of attention. It is a box for the entire family. It's an experience box. What they do is, and I wrote up a lot of their information down so I wouldn't get it wrong. Yes, I dyed my hair and cut it too, so there it is. Let's get the elephant out of the room. So anyway, this box is a service learning box. So what they do is they take concepts like social concepts like, sustainability, or I don't know, I'm just giving examples, homelessness or something. And then they have a box full of things for you to go and do, like, not like volunteering, but sort of like volunteering, where you're learning and you're helping the community by giving back. All right, so a family experience that gives back. Each box walks you through the steps for a nationally recognized and research-based model, the SALT effect. Complete the steps together to earn a digital badge. So each box gives you a badge as a family. Each box focuses on a different social issue as well. So this box is $49. Each one. You can buy individual boxes on their site, or you can just subscribe. So plant blindness, your impact. So right here it says, you plant a tree, you helped cure plant blindness and made the world more beautiful. You helped seed your futures, spread awareness about the power of plants. You invested in quality time with your family to make a difference. So that is, I guess, our theme for this month. Ow, that hurt. No, don't do that. I don't like that. She wants just attention, so she'll like take her teeth and like bite me. And it hurts and I don't like it. Welcome to a service learning experience designed for busy families like yours. Inside each box, you'll read about issues that confront people every day. At times, you may be overwhelmed by their struggles and concerns, but you'll be motivated by their strength and courage. You'll be inspired by the tireless work of nonprofit organizations who tackle these issues and provide hope to a world that so desperately needs it. And you'll be introduced to companies who give back and make a difference. We're two God-loving perfectionist moms deciding to just do. Moms who feel like there's not enough time, but we want to learn and do and inspire our kids to do the same, one step forward. Even a small one creates momentum. We want the effect to be perfect, but perfect is the enemy of done. We're done waiting. We're taking action. Imagine the impact of families serving and learning together. Serving and learning together, it's an acronym, SALT, the SALT effect. Thanks for joining the adventure with us. So let's open the box and see what's in here. I'm going to try to do as much top down as I can for you guys. How's that sound? All right, so right on top we have a little paper bag. Don't know what's in here. Okay. Plant blindness. So here's our insert. The more we know about plants, the more we can make a difference in the world today. So a little booklet. Step 1, investigate. What happens if we don't cure plant blindness? Then we go, okay, plant blindness is a problem. Is there a cure? Why is now the time to find a cure? It just walks you through all these steps. Step 2, plan and prepare. Step 3, act. I think I'm actually going to do this. Kids have it's Columbus Day, so I'm probably going to do this with them tomorrow. I'll have a whole bunch of kids here. And then demonstrate. So, oh, and step 4, that fell out. Whoopsie daisy. Step 4, reflect. And then Step 5, demonstrate. So I guess it goes like this. I messed it up. That's my problem. That's a me problem. Plantables and paper. Wildflower seed paper. Want to plant the flowers. No, don't touch that. Wait, are these the flowers? Oh, I think these are actually, are they in here? Plant the flowers. Fun. If planting outside, the best time to plant is during. Gently rake the area to loosen soil. Soak seed paper in water to pre-moisten before planting. Then cover paper bits with about a 1/4 inch soil. So this is our, oh no, here they are. These are our little seed papers. So you're going to get these wet and you're going to put them in soil and you will grow flowers. That hurts and I don't like it. I always tell my kids, stop. You can tell somebody, if you're there doing something that you don't like, you don't have to be mean. You just say, stop, I don't like it. Stop, I don't like it. All right. Finally in our box we have, the true meaning of life is to plant trees under whose shade you do not expect to sit. Oh, I love that. So this is a little woodchuck notebook. Buy one, plant one. So for every one sold, one is planted. And it's a book, obviously, and it's like etched, you know, wood etched or burnt, I should say. But I like this saying, the true meaning of life is to plant trees under whose shade you do not expect to sit. How pretty is that? So I can't wait to do this and share it with you guys. If you're interested in the full review, I will link to that below. I will also link to the salt effects so you can check them out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!